Hello and welcome to my channel Lee Work at Home. Getting paid to read books is an excellent way to earn extra income. Side jobs gives you the opportunity to work from home and to supplement your income. It is an enjoyable way to get paid by reading books and writing reviews about them. Also, some companies pay you to read books. Others will give you free books in return. First is Online Book Club. Getting paid to read books with Online Book Club is easy. You sign up online with your details and you are given a set of books to choose from. The books are free in return for your review. If your first review is approved, you will get paid for subsequent reviews. This company is very particular about receiving honest reviews about the books you read, so writing a detailed and clear review helps. Per the website, you can get paid anywhere between $5 to $60 per review. Second is the U.S. Review of Books. This company hires freelance book reviewers to write reviews about books for publication. You can send your resume and sample work to be considered for this job. You are able to choose the books that you want to review once they are posted. The review should be around 250 to 300 words and should be submitted within 2 to 3 weeks after receiving the book. The payments are made via monthly checks. Third is Readsy Discovery. With Readsy, you can earn extra money reading books. On Readsy Discovery, you can simply sign up on their website and choose the books to be reviewed before they are launched. There is no pay as such, but the readers can pay you $1, $2, or $5 if they enjoyed your review. Fourth is Women's Review of Books. This is a very popular publication that particularly caters to female audiences. If you want to become a book reviewer with this magazine, then you have to send in your resume along with a writing sample. This magazine is particularly looking for experienced reviewers, so if you are one, then there is a good chance you will be accepted. The pay is $100 per review. Fifth is Any Subject Books. Any Subject Books hires people to read books and give detailed and honest reviews. It values in-depth reviews more than short and redundant ones. You can choose the genres you want to read from, and the pay is on a book-by-book basis. Sixth is Publishers Weekly. Publishers Weekly. Publishers Weekly is an online magazine that publishes reviews in many genres. It is known to regularly hire freelance book reviewers in areas like music, romance, economics, sports, young adult, fiction, ancient history, etc. It prefers people who have the education and experience in specific areas, but you can apply even as a beginner. You can send in your resume with a sample review to apply for this role. The pay, as per the website, is a modest honorarium per review. Seventh is Booklist Publications. Booklist Publications is a review journal for general public and librarians. It has around 8,000 reviews yearly, and you can choose to become a freelance book reviewer for this website. The reviews should be no longer than 175 words, and before applying, you need to first understand the writing style. The pay for the reviews is $15 per book review. This company is always looking for people with diverse backgrounds to read and review books. Eighth is Kirkus. Kirkus is a book reviewing company that regularly hires book reviewers on a freelance basis. You can apply here with your resume, writing samples, and the genres you specialize in. The job involves writing in-depth reviews of around 350 words about the books, which are mostly from self-published authors. The review has to be submitted within 2 weeks of being assigned the book. The pay is not mentioned on the website, but it will depend on your experience. If this is the first time visiting my channel, subscribe. Click the bell to be notified of more job opportunities. Then click the thumbs up to like this video. And thanks for joining me today to hear about reading books as a way to earn extra income.